Zebulon Thomas is a world-renowned videographer and has been hand-selected as one of the industry's leading glide cam master operators. His work has impacted the commercial industry, driving brand exposure to new levels. He is called upon by businesses big and small to maximize their success in the market. He has worked with some of the world's most recognized brands and businesses, giving him access to more resources and bigger networks. Zebulon is an expert marketer, generating millions of dollars of revenue in the market by helping companies find their edge. Aside from his extraordinary work in the video and film industries, he has published books and audio programs in the area of personal development and business growth. Now, with over a decade of adding massive value to the market, he has launched ZTFILMS Academy to add massive value to you through his online courses, workshops, and webinars. Learn all of Zebulon's tools, strategies, and expert advice on how to thrive as a videographer, glide cam operator, and entrepreneur, right from the comfort of your own home. His success comes from two key principles: always add massive value and focus on creating